Worldwide, legacy. I'm on it. Yeah, I'm on it. Yeah.
Venrap Radio.
Yeah, I'm on it. Yep. Welcome back to the Venrap Radio. This is the Higher Table Podcast, Entertainment Corner. You know, this is the entertainment side of things where we take you through whatever is happening on the entertainment. And yeah, man. So yeah, man. Some people were asking about this deal, Makhadzi. I even get some text. I even got tagged on some Facebook posts. But before we get into the whole thing, let me do this. Let's celebrate. She got 120 million deal. Mega, this is major. Okay. As everybody knows, Casper has a deal with Drip for 100 million. We have had deals Stariboko with Wakabelo, aka, and a lot of other artists and other entertainers getting those deals worldwide. You know, different deals depending on how your agreements and all the stuff. People getting deals where you find that there's a drink out there, and yeah, man, depending with an endorsement, whether or you own it, but you don't really own it, but you own it, but you don't own it, something like that, depending on contract. So contract or deal, this is how I understand it, replying back to those who were asking me those questions. She got 120 million. I even saw some people say that now she's richer than Ramaphosa and all that. Like, people think like she got 120 million account here, like deposited into the account, if you know what I mean. Some people think like that's how it works. But with what I know or my knowledge or whatever information that I have when it comes to kind of things like this, what they're going to do, they're going to develop like sneakers. They're going to develop product and create products. In other words, this is what they're going to sell. And she gets a certain portion of the amount. It's like you get the record deal, you record the album, and the album is out, it sells, and you get a bit of the amount from those sales. Like you get the royalties, you get whatever you get depending on your contract. So even here, what's happening in the Zori, she gets something out of these deals. Like she get the money or the royalties, or she got some sales profit from whatever that is going to be sold out there. So the deal she has with Kick Sportswear, they're not giving her the 120 million into her bank account. What they're doing is like they're going to create products. Like they're going to create sneakers, you know. Even if it gets to clothing, they can do that depending on what this deal is all about, like what comes with this deal. So as Mapungo Sokorofe, she got 120, and then now at my business, inbox the business proposal. Can you fund me? Can you give me this, that, you know? So as do shimangoraro watu basho ndimafungore partneriwa contract keyo deal keyo I worth 120 million rekoyo bikamateki another visa under this Kokoba project or under this Kokoba deal, because the deal never on it if Kokoba, which means it's the beginning. Rikotuma pass, the Kokoba, the Somborka do Nazumu, do me, one minute, Takuaima, Asuka Unea, the Viato Gidimi. So yeah, man, that's the deal. In our Makhadzi Unayo, Ahuna Chradini Aborio, Kofi 120 million. Janaka County, the deal in never nayo with these guys to develop and create products, sneakers, whatever they're gonna be creating based on the contract. Zunema Chero, she's gonna get the profit out of it. So yeah, man. Maybe if this was explaining, you can still comment below, and as you explain another, then I'll come back and do it the way you feel that I'm supposed to do it. Maramapunga smapungo resemane rinyazane ribuzane zituzine machelo namzishisa zaona waruwasu hey man apona ndokwamba zituzine na zinewe angazifuni ara zikubudzwa in or iwe wararo murao, like you got what I'm saying. Nangazinga doni dukan swana ndingwana ndo mahungoni. This is the Venrap Radio, and vone mudipo fedzi kudipa udzula utakaliwa vhathu vadzula vho ḓitakalela afha shangoni so yeah man amara here ndi vafuna zone zwo ndamba zone ndi zwezwo zwori the 120 deal ndi mafhungo uri we developing and creating products out of that and we share whatever profit that the agreement is based on ahuna na zwiṅwe a vha ri nṋe ndi nyamalale zwiṅwe vha ḓo comment hanefho fhasi nda ya ndona
Every day's a celebration. They can never stop us. Bangasi vale mageta rufara skela mki. Game like a Tory, you so special. I'm here to work hard. Teenage being a chami tambo. Itiba zwenda dera chingo dera zwa mishasho.